an excellent first half. Steve, we knew this was coming.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
But don't take anything away. It's still early in the season. The second half still needs to come. And
The thing is, what people need to realize is that there's a bit of a gap between your top 10 and the rest of the schools in South Africa.
Yes.
There's a bit, and you must also remember that a school like Paul Gim, sorry guys, we're doing a recording here, eh? The thing is, Paul Gim is a school that's a regular competitors also at World School Festivals. They're one of your best schools also in the world. So they're not only a top 10 school in South Africa, they're also a team that's in the top 10 in world schools.
yes, and that's something we can be very proud of as South
Absolutely.
Africans. And it's always very difficult to beat these kind of schools if you're out of the top 10. Steve.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
don't take anything away from them. I think they're playing with a lot of heart.
Yeah.
And they can be proud of themselves no matter the scoreline.
Yeah, right now it's the second half. It's already 3 minutes into the second half, and Paul Gim is leading 35-0.
Yes.
Noordleeuwen, take nothing away from them. They are ranked 15 in South Africa. It's just that they are playing against a top-class, world-class outfit that is always dominating in South African rugby now for so long.
Yeah.
So it's just a completely different one.
Right.
I believe we've got another interview. Von, what do you have for us?
Right. Right.
Hi. Let
Hello.
me give you a mic.
Let's give you a mic.
Thank you very much.
Right. So what is your name? You can just hold it in your hand.
Can I
that's
hold it
fine.
in my hand? Well, my name's Kobus. Kobus Labeskagh.
Kobus Labeskagh. For which team do you play?
I play for Wittenberg's first rugby team. We're from Bethlehem in the Free State.
Right. And what position do you play?
I play tight end prop. Number 2.
Oh, okay, nice.
Ah.
Okay.
Play
Right.
tough in the scrums.
No, I can imagine. And what do you think of the tournament so far?
Yes. I mean, like, the exposure everyone's getting, I think this is the biggest schoolboy tournament in the country.
Right.
Put it this way, I see everybody, people from Vacay, people from here, Gauteng. It's
Right.
nice to see how everybody's matching up against each other.
Yes.
What we're doing.
And what do you think of the people in Gauteng so far?
The people in Gauteng, we're very, the hospitality is great.
Right.
We enjoy it very much here.
Right.
They're very kind to us. And,
Oh, that's good.
hopefully we'll make it again. It's very
And what does your season look like after this?
So we're going to play in the Griffins League in the Free State.
Right.
So first game is going to be Etisalia, and I think Welkom Gym.
Okay.
No, Goudveld and Welkom Gym 2, and then Voordrek.
Right. And do you hope to play Craven Week this year?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. And what about SA Schools?
Yes, that's a lifelong dream.
All right.
I think it's any boy's dream to play
True.
that.
Very true. And we will keep an eye out for you. We'll keep an eye out for your team. And good luck for the rest of the season.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for listening.
Thank you.
Have a
All right.
nice day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.